Thank you for completing this beginner series on Rust. We hope that you learned about the foundations of Rust and feel ready to go forward and continue exploring topics we covered in more depth. To further your learning, check out the following resources. First is the GitHub repository for this series. Here we have all of the code demos that were shown in the videos and some extra resources as well. You'll also find some next steps to take your understanding of Rust to the next level. There is also the Microsoft Learning Path, Take Your First Steps with Rust. Many of the topics covered in this video series were also included in the Learning Path, but could be a great place to go next and reinforce what you learned in this series. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest news and updates, make sure to subscribe to This Week in Rust. The most important thing that you can do to continue learning is to get hands-on. We encourage you to write Rust code, whether that's building your own programs or completing exercises. It's crucial to get more comfortable coding in Rust. We also encourage you to become part of the community in a way that's meaningful to you. Feel free to go back and check out Nell's video on the Rust community if you need some more suggestions there. Thanks again for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this series and are excited for you to continue your journey with Rust. Cheers!